So today I have an unboxing for you guys, actually an unbagging. It's from Charles Trippy in Florida, and it's from his website, of course, obviously, internetkilltv.com, and it's sweatshirts. So we'll unbag it for you guys, my brother and I, and yeah, we'll unbag it for you now. Okay, unbag it, Danny. Faster, put it. Like this. So we're gonna rip the bag open and show you what we got, which ones we got. It cost $89 total. It's 2 sweatshirts plus shipping. So yes. Wait. Stop, baby. Okay. Sweatshirts are $39 each plus $11 shipping. So here. A black one. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Actually, no, this is Danny's. My brother's. This is mine.
Black one.
Wait, let's see what the blue one looks like. Oh my gosh. It smells like sweatshirt. Oh yeah, CTFxC is for haters. Oh yeah. Exciting. Let's put it on.
Let's put it on.
Quickly. Strip it, put it on. I'm excited. Let's put it on. OMG. I hope these are super warm. Oh, wow, they are super warm.
Zip it up.
It's like a light fleece-like material. And these are both smalls. I am a pretty small little girl. And, oh my gosh, it's really big on me. That's okay. Oh yeah, CTFxC for the win. Ah! Oh yeah. So, yep. So that's all. Thanks for watching, and please don't do that. Please comment, like, thumbs up, and subscribe.